How to fix error code 280 on your Roblox mobile application. So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. Sometimes when we start our Roblox application, we face an error called error code 280. I'm not facing this error right now in my mobile phone, but I will tell you that how can you solve this issue and enjoy reusing your Roblox application flawlessly. In order to do this, firstly, we just need to check if we have updated our Roblox application or not. If you are using Android mobile phone, you can simply go on your Google Play Store and check for update. And if you are using an iPhone like me, I'm using iOS, so I will simply go on my App Store here and search for Roblox application, and I will check if there is any update on my app right now. As you can see guys, there is no update. I have already updated my application here. I will simply open it from here. So I cannot face any error because I have already updated this application. Previously I was also facing the issue and I simply updated this application. And also one thing, if you're using it on Android phone, you just need to tap this application for like 3 or 4 seconds and then go into the application information. After going into that, you just have to clear all the cache and data for this application, and you just have to simply restart the mobile app because sometimes the server and mobile glitch issue cause this type of error happen in your mobile phone. So firstly, just update your application, and the second step is to check if you have a better network connection or not. Like my mobile phone is on full network right now and the data is already on. So if you have Wi-Fi, just connect to your Wi-Fi network and check if your mobile network is working all good and strong. After doing this setting, you just have to check the and the final step is to restart your mobile phone, clicking on the power up button and the volume button together for 3 seconds, and he will see slide to power off button here. You just have to simply switch off your mobile phone and restart it. You will not face any problem like this again after doing this steps which I have followed in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel for more informative and these type of short solutions for all of you.